Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language, dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshi Habibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 4. The Pitchers of Milk. O merciful God! On the 18th of the month of Taqi, of the year 1218, from the birth of Muhammad on the night of Wednesday, when 4 watches were yet to go, and while returning after the conquest of the entrenchments of Ramanayar at Madher Kirah near Salamabad, I had a dream. It seemed as if a person immediately after milking a cow had brought 2 small pitchers of fresh milk before me, and was saying that he had brought this milk for me straight from the udder, and that it was very sweet, tasteful, and rich in butter. I took the pitchers from his hand, and found this fresh milk bubbling with particles of butter scattered on top. After telling the man that the milk must be very sweet and agreeable to the palate, I took the milk and kept it with me. At this juncture, I woke up and wrote down the dream. End of Dream 4.